The reason why we're looking at Rākau and Ngarara, which is the other side, I guess, of the songs we're composing, it comes off a kōrero with Dr. Ihirangi Heke. He talks to like the different tohu that Māori would look to for changes in the environment, or signs that things are coming. There were manu, there was ika, and so we did some He Wai, He Wai EP, about stories of our waters, and then one of them was Rākau and insects, different spheres that we're actually approaching. I guess the research process is whanaunga, and kaumata. And there was a lot of, because I came with a lot of the upbringing, there's a lot of whakatauki or stories that we used as kind of reference, or even like a framework, like a conceptual framework for the song. Whoa! Something like that.
You're in a cave.